Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Pilot key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2025 battery. It is important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can clearly see each step. This simple task is quite quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get started right away. Now, let's open the key fob. Look closely at the side of your key fob. You will find a small, narrow slot. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, it is time to replace the battery. Before removing the old one, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop out the old CR 2025 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, which confirms that the casing is securely closed and all components are properly seated. The last step is to test its functionality by trying to lock and unlock your Honda Pilot. It should work perfectly now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.